Okay, I'm pretty stoked about this. Package came in today, and it's from Immortal Masks. And if you remember, probably back in August, I received a mask from them. Same mask, has some modifications done to it over back at their studio in California. So we're going to open her up and check it out and see how he came out. Okay, we're going to open it up here. Pretty stoked about it. Alright. Cut it there. And down the center, I'm going to be very careful as I cut it. Don't anything happening to it. Cool. Now we had a tattoo on his face added, and also a goatee, and it was all haired. Got your instructions how to put it on and what you need to put in the mask too to help out take it on and off. So there we go. So I get it out of the box, and this is amazing. Here's the goatee they added. They individually poke it in there. The artists at Immortal Masks are incredible. I put it on the stand here so you can see a little bit better. And here's the tattoo here they did for me as well. So it has really added a lot of character to this headpiece. It's a beautiful, well done work. Appreciate George, Melissa, Marianne, and all the guys there too that just worked on this. And I mean, I just love it. Came out awesome. I like the little gray streak he did here too. Has some character to him. So they are working on another piece for me that will be revealed probably in probably about 2 months, I believe. So, but this turned out incredible. So I'll have some pictures with it on, and also some of the updates to the orc costume as well. But yeah, thanks George, appreciate it. Came out awesome. Beautifully done.